Taking the next piece of skin off. First time it's been uncovered in a long time. That's the only side piece of trim left. That's holding up the bunk. Yeah. Okay. Still looks rough. Just another little update. Got the next piece of skin off. The camper still looks pretty good on this side. I put the windows back in for the night. This section here will certainly have to get fixed. This is up in the front bunk area. This is all gone through here. But we all knew this. This will get fixed. I got this trimmed, cut down, trimmed, so it's almost ready to go on. So, yeah, got this, the staples off this back section. So, actually start peeling that up too. Anyway, coming. Well, I got the last piece off. You can see a little bit of the top there is a little questionable, but majority of this side is actually pretty good until you get up here to the front. Then it's bad. So we got this piece off already. So now we can start reassembly. All right.